So let's talk about the best crypto storage. Now this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So do you want to keep your crypto safe? It's super important to have the best storage for your coins. So let's go over some simple steps to make sure that your crypto is secure and protected. All right. Now step one, first you're going to start with a good crypto wallet. A wallet is like a special place where you keep your coins safe. Crypto.com offers a wallet that's easy to use and very secure. It's perfect for beginners. I still use it. I love it. Step two, once you have your wallet, think about using a hardware wallet. This is a small device that you can carry around that keeps your coins even safer. It's like a super strong lock for your crypto. You can use it along with your online wallet for extra protection. All right? Now, step three, make sure that you keep your wallet information private. Do not share your password or special keys with anybody. It's like having the key to a treasure chest. Only you should have it. All right? Now, by following these steps, you're going to keep your crypto safe and secure from anything that could go wrong. All right? Now, by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people already on Crypto.com, open an account through my referral link in the description because we can both get rewarded in very nice ways. And then you could do the same thing with other people.